Hello everybody, so today I will be playing Fill the Fridge game. Yes, I know I usually don't play these games. I only play the Adopt Me, Roblox. But today I was like, let's do something new. Let's play another game. So here we are playing Fill the Fridge. So let's go and start. We already started though. Okay, first we have these tin cans. Oh, they finished. And I really like this game because it is fun and it's like super satisfying when you do these. Oh, sometimes when you are doing this and you miss something like this space, then it is like super annoying and you're like, it's just so annoying, and it just like it's not satisfying anymore because you just missed this spot and you have to do it again. That's why I like if it goes like straight in the lane without missing anything. Like when you're doing like this and then like this. But this game is still super fun, super satisfying, and I love to play this game. I usually play this game when I'm really bored or I have nothing else to do and I don't want to like do anything and just play some games. So that's when I play these games. Oh, okay, let's add the peanut butter and these, I don't know, it's mustard, I don't know. Okay, so here we have some cereal. Oh, no, they do not fit. And let me just add these ones. These are oranges, I guess. Yeah, probably oranges. Let's add these and some of the grapes. We have some grapes here. I love grapes. They're delicious. I love all the fruits though. It's not like I like certain types of fruits. I like all of them. Oh, I think I messed up. I think I have to put them right over here. Okay, I think I have to do it like this. Yeah, probably like this. And these one over here. And the Pringles. Do tell me in the comments if you like Pringles. I do like Pringles, they're delicious. And what do? I have to finish all of them. Let me see. I think I have to do like something. No, they don't fit over here. Let me put them. See, like this, when you miss a spot, it's super annoying. You don't want to miss a spot, but I don't know how the game always make you miss a spot. But when it doesn't, it feels super satisfying. Okay, I think I have to do something right here. Let's see. And the Pringles. Okay. Let's take the peanut butter out and put the Pringles and the peanut butter too up here. And I guess what do I do next? Yeah, like this. Okay. I always forget that we can stack up on items, and I'm always like, what do I do now? And that's like, and when I remember that I can stack it, I'm like, oh yes, I forgot. I think I can put them over here. No. What do I do? I'm just stuck on one level since I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. It's been. Let us see. I think I'm being annoying. I am getting annoying, and annoying, guys. Maybe because I'm just doing this. No, this. Okay, I guess I will. What do I have? I think they give you the right amount always, and when you put this button and then always, it's remind me of iPhone, because when you want to delete one app, it always shakes all the apps, and it's like, I don't know, this is giving me a feeling, because I want to delete something from here, I want to take it out, and all items shake like the iPhone's apps. Okay, I'm trying to do it like this. I hope it works. Okay, no, it will not hurt. Maybe. Okay. I don't know, it's super annoying. Like this. Like, okay. I can do nothing. I don't know why can I put this on top of here. It's super annoying, but okay. Okay, I think we have finished it, but we still have one peanut butter left. I just realized that why do you need to put Pringles in the fridge? Okay, I think they like to eat Pringles cold, and I don't know. That's so weird. Putting Pringles in the fridge. What are you doing putting Pringles in the fridge, bro? Okay. You have so many cold drinks and stuff, but you don't have to put Pringles in the fridge. And cereal. Yeah, you're also putting cereal in the fridge. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting frustrated, because this is just a game, and games, games are games. Okay, I don't know where to put this one peanut butter. Oh, do you guys like peanut butter? Do tell me in the comments, because I love peanut butter. Okay, I'm sorry peanut butter, but you have to stay out. I have to do the next level. I'm sorry. If I added the peanut butter in, I couldn't get 100. But okay. Oh, raspberries. Let's buy raspberries. I think the raspberry and blueberry are the same looking. Yeah. Here we have the other level. Let's see. Oh, I have to do the challenge. Okay. That was easy. I think these are the raspberries, but why were they looking blue in the picture when I was buying it? And raspberries are like this, but okay. They were flying in the sky though. Okay, let's put this in. I think this is ketchup. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Maybe it is. Okay. I think it's strawberry yogurt. I don't know. But let's fill the fridge up. Oreo. Why do you have to put Oreos in the fridge? That's weird. But in whenever Oreos come in our house, I finish them in just a day. I just ate them all. What can we put here? I think we can put nothing over here. Wait. Can we put these soda cans here? Okay, it's good. I want to fill up every single corner of this fridge. Okay, I cannot put anything here. Oh, I have to put this back again inside here. And take the second box. Put some eggs in here. Some soda cans. Eggs and soda cans. And put these right here. That one looking annoying. And like this. Okay, that's missing spot. On the next one, I will put some. Oh, we cannot put Sprite in it. Whatever you call it. Okay, let's put the oranges in here. Like this. Okay. One single box is missing. We put it here, and the tin can. A single one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I watched an ad just to get this box open for the Sprite. And okay, let's put this here and this one here. So you will think that it's filled up from the end, but it's not. Okay, so here we have on the next level, and let's see what items we have. I think this is green apple, strawberries, grapes, some cereal, and Pringles. I think this is the Mars chocolate, and I have no idea what is this. I don't know. And this is some Coca-Cola. Okay, I accidentally took the challenge box, and I have to hurry up and fill it up. Oh no. Okay, I lost. I have to do this. Okay, I just pressed loser, and now it's locked, and I have to watch an ad to get all an ad. Okay, we're back. And here we go. Here we have another one. So many grapes. So many grapes. Oh. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't grapes and strawberries. Some of this and some strawberries. Okay, I think I have to put, because this is a big one, so I have a so I will put the Coke and the Pringles in these boxes because they will fit in where the Pringles are here. And here we go. We added the Pringles, and I think I'm lagging a bit. Okay, I got stuck in the middle of the game, and I have to do this level again. But we don't have the challenge box here, so that's good. And let's put the chocolate, and I think we have some new other items. Let's put the chocolate in here, and these ones, I think it's like jam, I guess, I don't know. Okay, we fill this up, and the bananas, and we'll put the other one right here. And the grapes. Okay, let's put some Pringles. Oh, that's so annoying. Let's put the Pringles in here, and milk. The milk in here. Let's add these two here and the Pringles. Yeah, perfect. That's weird that I just put some like Pringles with the milk, but it's just a game. Nobody's gonna know. You guys will know because you're watching this video. I think I will just put these apple. Oh, I think I can put some more here. I will put the grapes on top, and here we go. And the last one is for cereal. Oh, what do we do? What do we do now? Okay, we can't. What about here? Can we put the cereal in here? I think we can. And why do we have so much of the cereal? It's like falling out. You guys tell me, what's your favorite cereal? What do I have to do? I just put cereal in. Okay, this is confusing. I don't think we can put up. We can. Okay, that's nice. That's really nice. We will take out this and put the. But this part is missing, and this is making me feel so annoying. I don't like this. Oh, my bad. This. We can put the jam in here like this. Okay. We have to put the apples, the rest of the apples in here. Okay. Take this out. You have to take everything out. Put this here. Oh, I think I know how to do this. Put this, and we will put the apples in here. Now we have the grapes left, and we have to wait. I think I accidentally put the next level button. Oh, my bad. Next level, let's see. No thanks. Okay, let's go. I'm sad. It wouldn't be like 100% accuracy, but I guess not. Let's add the jam in here. What do we have? Nutella! I love Nutella on bread. It's delicious. Let's take this meat. No, it's not feeling right. Let's put some Oreos because we put Pringles and Oreos in the fridge. I know you guys what to do. Yay! Okay. I'm sorry, but why do you have to put Pringles and Oreo in the fridge? That's so weird. And that's okay. Let's fill this up with this and jam. Oh no. We have to put it exactly. We don't have anything left. I think we can put Nutella here. Yeah, amazing. If you don't like Nutella, it's okay. It's your choice. But I think most of you people in here like Nutella, because Nutella is delicious, and that's all I have to say. It's delicious. Okay, I hate this meat part because it's like I never know what to do in the meat part. Okay, this doesn't look nice, but it's looking messy like this. But nobody would know that the back is empty, and in front of it, like all of it is filled up. And here we go. Can you put anything here? No. Okay. You know, when I take out things, this star thing also get down. Like I put this, and I will take it out. It will go down. We go down, and this is okay. We'll be back after I figure this out, how to do this. Okay, I'm back. It took me like 5 minutes to figure out how to do this. And okay, let's put these here and these here. I knew I had to watch the ad to do this. No, I don't want to watch an ad. I will just do it like this. And 94% accuracy and 2 stars. If I added like those oranges and watched the ad, it would have been 100%. Oh, cookies! No, I will buy these. I also want the noodles, but I don't want to watch an ad. So let's go. And here is, wait, never mind, I have another idea. Yes, we do. What is this? This price thingy? I cannot see. I think those yellow mustard thingies, I think it's mustard. I don't know. Oh, it was a mistake. Okay, guess I have to do it fast. Fill this up fastly, and here you go. I wasn't like looking on the time how much it was, so you guys tell me how much in how many seconds I did it. Cookies. You know what, I will do the cookies later. Cookies being annoying. Cookies and milk. Delicious. Let's put some apples in here and some of the cereal boxes. Okay. Why is it happening again and again? Okay, this was good. Now that's what's annoying about this game. Okay, now I think I will put some maybe piling up those cookies and Nutella on top. Cookies and Nutella. Nutella cookies. Oh, that sounds delicious. Do Nutella cookies exist? Yeah, they probably do. Okay, let's put the Nutella in here. Then, and some of. We cannot put the milk right now because it's not the same length. We will put these in here. And like this, like this. Let's take the milk and put this, and okay, so let's see what we can do. You know, like, I think I will have to take this out. I think I took too much of that out because I don't think we will have the space for the rest. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. I want to put the grapes. I like here. Grapes here, and let us see what we can do. When I see lettuce see, it's like lettuce. Did you understand? I don't know. I think the video has been like too long. I don't know how many letters are here. Okay. I cannot find anything, so let's go on to the next level. And I guess that's for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and tell me how the video was. And take care. Bye bye.